Hey y'all, hey! It's a box opening business kit day. And I'm really pumped, but I have like 15 minutes before I have to be out the door. So we're gonna make this real quick. We're gonna dive in. You're gonna see what comes in the business box in person. And we will talk all about all the things on another live when I have way more time. But first, let me show you the box. And low connection. I hate this phone. Is my internet on? I don't even know. Hopefully it's okay. It says low connection, but we're gonna go with it. Please work. All right, so let me show you guys what the box looks like. Dun, 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 dun. It says simple, honest, humble. Hi, David. And on each side, it says in partnership, opportunities increase when you help others win. A little win for a partner is a win for you. And then it says, see where you are, use what you have, do what you can. Oh, let's not show that. Y'all will be stalking me at home, right? Right. Okay, so when you open her up, it says, welcome to Pomifera. And inside here, you guys, when you open your boxes, it's like straight up heavenly goodness smell that radiates from this box. I kid you not. So the first 1,000 people that signed up got a black founder's pin. So I'm really excited that I was one of the first 1,000. Like, woohoo! So everybody else after that got business partner pins, which would be the white pins. But they're still considered founding partners. They just only ordered 1,000 of the black pins. All right. And the cool thing about this packing slip is it's signed by one of the owners. She packaged this box herself, which, you guys, that's so sweet, right? Okay, so inside here is a bunch of this, I don't know, confetti paper. I don't know what you call it, but it looks like confetti to me. So all the products are underneath this confetti paper. But the first thing that you get inside when you get your box, let me put this down, is a big girl. All right. Okay, so it says the earth says thank you. And it just says the average customer cost of product cartons are $2.10 each. And the typical consumer purchases 4 products at a time. This equates to $8.40 per order for boxes that carry a high carbon footprint and are almost immediately thrown in the trash. Here at Pomifera, we believe in environmental responsibility as well as simplicity. This enables us to avoid high markups on pointless waste. Instead of passing unnecessary costs on to you for a box that you will throw away, we opt not to have them. Simple packaging, honest practices, and a humble approach. So, to save you guys money, you will get your boxes, your products will come without being in a box that you're just gonna throw it away, right? So, I already have 2 of the products out right now because, well, I was in the process of getting ready when it came and I peek-a-pooed in the box. So I already used one and I'm, so far, she might be my favorite thing ever that I have ever used on my body. Specifically my hair. You guys, I don't know if you see how straight, how silky smooth my hair is. Not frizzy, and I have the world's frizziest lion mane hair you will ever probably see, but like, oh my goodness, it's perfection. And it acts as a heat protectant if you use any kind of hot tools on your hair. So, it's the Radiant Hair Oil, and I almost didn't want to tell you guys how much I'm obsessed with this product so far because I honestly need to go buy some more before it all sells out because you're going to watch this and you're going to be like, all right, let me go get some of that because I need this. If you've ever used Moroccan oil and you know how well that, like how good that product smells, that's what the smell of this reminds me of. So if you're looking for a scent to describe what this smells like, That's the closest smell I could give you. It's just the most amazing smelling hair oil. It doesn't weigh your hair down. It's very light. It doesn't make your hair look greasy. I just put it in when my hair was damp, like towel dry. Put it through the ends. I don't ever put it up in my roots, but, and then I just dried my hair and, hi, Kim. Oh, no problem. Enjoy your concert. All right. The second product that I had to try, because you guys know I'm already obsessed. This is the product that I have been using pretty much for 3 years. It's Pomifera oil, but in this collection, she is the star of the show, and her name is Pomifera Rose. And your Pomifera Rose, this is the only like extra container almost, if you will, that your products will come in, and it's just for Pomifera Rose. So you'll see she comes in a little canvas draw bag. So cute, so cute. Okay, so look at this. So inside this bottle, let me show you. I don't want to waste it. Let's not waste it. Can you guys see there are numbers on this dropper? So literally how much is in this dropper right now is how much you would put on your face. There are 60 uses in this bottle. So if you only use it once, you'll get 2 months. If you use it twice a day, you'll get 1 month out of it. So that's that one. All right, moving on. Now, I haven't smelled any of the other products, so except for the body mist. I did spritz that when I first got it because so many people were saying how amazing it smells, and well, I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of how it smells, but that's just me personally, and I keep it real, so there's that. But I'll show it to you because I already talked about it. So you just like kind of shake this up. It's refreshing body mist. So it has frankincense and lavender in it. And you can basically like it helps calm you, releases the stress in you. I'm going to spritz it on my kid's pillow. You could spritz it in your car. You could spritz it on your body. I'm going to really try this on my kid's pillow, though. Knock them out, you know what I'm saying? Okay. The second product you showed, what is that for? Oh, okay. So this one, I guess I didn't tell you, did I? You can use this for literally everything. Everything. My kids ask for this. Anytime they get a boo-boo, they ask specifically for, they know it as One Drop Wonder. That is the Pomifera oil that we had at Lime Life. But it's called Pomifera Rose here. And they put it on their boo-boos. They don't even, like, you know how most kids, like I was one of those kids that didn't feel better until you had a Band-Aid? This replaces a Band-Aid for my kids. Like, they need this, and as soon as this goes on, they tell me that they feel much better. So it helps with acne, it helps with psoriasis, it helps with eczema. I mean, any kind of skin problems, burns, you get burns, mosquito bites. There are 1,000 ways that this product can be amazing. Yes, acne, because it's an antifungal, antimicrobial, anti-aging. It's amazing. So it's basically for every type of skin moisturizer that goes on your face. All right. Let's move on to the next thing. I'm just pulling them out. They're not in any particular order. It has little fuzzies from the fuzzy paper on it, but okay, so this is the Hydrating Body Lather. So this is going to go in your shower. This is highly concentrated. So if you guys have seen the loofah video on the Pomifera page, this thing gets a lot of bubbles. And I'm really excited. Oh, thanks, Jennifer. So let's smell her. Ooh, I like that. That literally smells like you're going to like walk out of a fancy high-end spa. I'm not kidding. This is definitely gonna go live in my shower. I'm so excited. Like, I really wish I hadn't showered already because I just want to go shower in here. Okay, let's dig out another product, and that is the Healing Body Oil. Okay, and she looks like this. So let's see. Okay, so this one, in order to get the best use out of this, you're gonna stick this one in your shower as well. So as soon as you're done washing your body and you're getting ready to get out of the shower, pop this oil all over your body. Let your body soak it in before you get dressed, and it's gonna add some hydration. It's gonna help firm everything kind of up and everything like that. And on this bottle is a little line right here, which is genius because it basically tells you whenever it's time to reorder it, so you don't ever have to go without it. And the other thing that I love about all these products is it's not a beauty brand, it's a family brand. Everybody in your family, kids, spouse, partner, anybody can use these products. So let me smell this one. You guys are getting my genuine reaction. Ooh. Okay, that's good too. Oh, I like that one. Yep, that's a winner chicken dinner for me too. I like that one. All right, let's see. What else is in here in my box? All right. So let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So you can get either a normal to oily cleanser or a dry, sensitive, mature cleanser. And I have dry skin, which tends to look pretty mature. So that's what I got with this one. Same thing on here, it has those lines. It tells you when to reorder it. Oh, let's see. Oh, and also each one of them has steps on it. So this is step number 2. The Pomifera Rose is step number 3. Step number 1 is actually a pre-cleanser, which didn't come in the box, but I ordered it. So that should be here whenever it gets here. Oh, this one is good, you guys. Oh. You guys, we hit the freaking jackpot. We hit the freaking jackpot. I just want to go play with all these products, but I have somewhere to be, so I can't. And this next product is going to make my kids so happy. But when Kendall was talking about this product, she was like, no. When you try this product, your skin is going to feel so silky smooth. It's going to be amazing. And so then I was like, so what you're basically saying is I don't want to give this to my kids. I want to save this for myself. So they're going to be really mad at me. But it is the Pom Balm, little botanical balm. And it smells, I'm not kidding, it smells so stinking good. Lemongrass, that's what I'm smelling because it smells lemony. Like a lemony goodness thing. I don't know, but this is like the star of the show right here as far as smell. Oh my goodness, it makes your box smell so heavenly. Okay, so I think that's everything that comes in the kit. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I think we get 7 things. Yes, that's everything. So that's my box. We will dive into the products and all the things about all the things at a later date, but I wanted you guys to see the box before I left to go to my parents because I just was busting at the seams to bust this bad girl open. So there's that. I hope you guys have a nice Friday, and I will talk to you later. Bye!